guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox on a mission. Don't forget to stay to the end so you can see what's inside our blind bag. This is the Matchbox on a Mission Power Grab. Whoa! If we peek in, I can see some orange and it looks like some kind of truck. I can't wait to see what it is. This is a Construction Zone 5-pack. We have 5 wonderful construction vehicles. Let's check out the back. Wow! All of these you can buy separately. What fun! Look at this one. This is a Matchbox construction truck. It's got a flatbed. You can put all sorts of fun things on that. Carry around the work site. Let's see if he can go fast. Whoa, uh-oh, he crashed. Let's try that again. There we go. We got it. I want to do that one more time. Where did he go? He's coming up the ramp. Let's make him turn around and go down the ramp. These Matchbox cars work great in our Hot Wheels playset. Let's see if he'll fit into our garage. Stay open, little garage. Oh, yes, he does. Look, we've hidden him inside. Let's see who's next. It's H2O. That means water. It's a water tank. Wow, a water truck. I wonder where they need water. Let's see if he can go fast. He can! And now he's coming right back. There, now he's parked. I wonder who's next. Wow! Look at this green front loader. He's pretty cool, don't you think? I like how bright he is. Let's see him go. Fast! Whoa! Can he get up the ramp? Let's go see. He made it. And he matches the ramp because he's also green. Let's check out this next one. It's a scraper. You can see it scrapes right up here. And fills up the bed. He looks really cool. I wonder how fast he can go. Let's see. Whoa! He's gonna go get some lunch for his crew. Here's our last one. It's a load lifter. He could lift up something really heavy. Let's see how fast he can go, though. That's the most important. Oh, he got caught up. Let's try it again. Yay! He went really fast. He's gonna go right into the garage. We can see him through our special window. Isn't that neat? Now that we've seen all of the trucks in our pack, what is in our power grab? Wow, look at that. It's a mini bulldozer. Can he go fast? He has wheels. Let's see. Oh no, we flipped him. Let's try that again. Whoa! Oh no, we flipped him again. Come on. There we go. We got him. Wow, it's so much fun to have play sets and cars and trucks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for lots more videos with your favorite toys.